CE Link operates a professional battery testing lab to ensure the safety of the supplied batteries. The liquid battery catches fire, smokes, and explodes. The semi-solid battery remains unaffected. In the crush test, some liquid batteries catch fire, smoke, and explode, while the semi-solid battery remains safe. During initial testing, all devices function normally. Even after hammer strikes, the semi-solid battery keeps charging. Pierced by a needle, the semi-solid battery still functions normally. Sliced by a knife, it continues charging the phone without issue. Despite various impacts, wireless charging remains as stable as ever.